A small San Diego skin care company used to go by the motto, "We keep America beautiful." Now it says it is keeping America clean. After shelving a line of hand sanitizers for years, they are now back on the production line and sharing their product for free with medical staff on the front lines.
We feel like it's the right thing to do to participate.
That's Ursula Wagstaff, owner of BOTANA, an organic skincare manufacturer. And this is her husband, Dieter Kuster, the scientist who years ago developed a formula for an FDA-approved hand sanitizer that until now didn't have much of a need and was shelved.
One morning I woke up and said, oh my God, I need to look for this hand sanitizer. And so we bring it back forward and added the ingredients which we needed.
The company of less than 25 people got to work immediately, redeveloping the hand sanitizer formula. At first, they just gave out bottles to friends and family in need.
The first round we give out for free, and the hospitals were calling and nurses were calling and said, okay, it's just keep on going.
But the challenge was getting all the raw materials together. Once they found everything, they produced thousands of bottles and delivered them to San Diego hospitals.
So we could run 5,000 bottles to begin with, and we distribute all of them. We ran another few thousand, and today we ship them out to Salvation Army for all the people there.
And they plan to produce 15,000 more in the coming days. All this, and less than 2 years ago, Ursula lost her husband, Dieter. And yet, of all the skincare products he's developed over the years, this may be his lasting legacy.
We are very fortunate to utilize his formulation and bring him out for a cause. So he's still impacting the people, and we're very, very blessed to be able to do that.
So many companies like CA Botana are pivoting in this time of need just to help others. Every little bit counts.